Using Credit.com personal loans is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals. First, it is essential to understand what personal loans are and how they work. A personal loan is a type of unsecured loan that can be used for various purposes such as consolidating debt, financing a large purchase, or covering unexpected expenses. To get started with Credit.com personal loans, you need to check your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in determining the interest rate you will qualify for and whether you will be approved for a loan. You can check your credit score for free on the Credit.com website. Once you have checked your credit score, you can begin the loan application process. This involves filling out an online application form that requires you to provide personal and financial information such as your income, employment history, and debt obligations. The application process typically takes a few minutes to complete. After submitting your application, Credit.com will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a list of loan offers from various lenders. You can then compare the loan offers and choose the one that best suits your needs. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of each loan offer, including the interest rate, loan amount, and repayment terms. When choosing a loan, consider the annual percentage rate, which includes the interest rate and any fees associated with the loan. You should also consider the loan repayment term, which can range from a few months to several years. A longer repayment term may mean lower monthly payments, but it can also result in paying more interest over the life of the loan. Best practices for using Credit.com personal loans include borrowing only what you need, making timely payments, and avoiding late fees. It is also essential to have a clear plan for repaying the loan to avoid accumulating debt. In conclusion, using Credit.com personal loans can be a convenient and efficient way to access the funds you need. By understanding the loan application process, carefully reviewing loan offers, and following best practices, you can make the most of this financial tool and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always borrow responsibly and make informed decisions about your financial well-being.